Hello guys, welcome to Mass Updates. My name is Zakir. Today we are gonna play a different video rather than going behind a single coin and their updates. This video will be a price prediction for a set of coins which I think will hit a 1 rupee mark in the coming future, in the coming year 2022, within the first second quarter. And it's totally a calculation which I've made. This is not a advice that I'm providing you to invest your money. Kindly do it on your due diligence. So let's start. I'll just go ahead and provide you the information. First of all, these are top coins which I have speculated, which has potentials, or which has the team or a community which works behind it, which can lead the coins to come up to a point where it is 1 rupees. Some of these coins have a couple of zeros, and some do have uh, a different set of rules, but all of them are under a rupee mark with which we can be investing very securely, which we can take a risk with. Starting with Shiba Inu, of course, the star player of 2021, which have gone almost 88 lakh percentage increase in the monetary value. The next one is Floki Inu, and the other one is Arriva, which is a very recent coin which have been developed. And the last one is BTT. BTT, we all know BitTorrent very well, and it's also a subsidiary of Tron coins as well. So let's look into these coins and what they have to offer us. Okay, starting with Shiba Inu. We all know Shiba Inu is one of the meme coins which is trying to get out of a point where it has a decentralized ecosystem of itself, and it do have a set of people who follows us. They got a community driven coin. It's a community driven coin, a very strong community which they call themselves as Shiba Army. We have seen a lot of changes in the money value recently within the last couple of 1 year. We have seen it started from almost five zeros and it gone up and grown, which we can see that it's right now two zeros, two five. That's less than one paise, like a quarter of one paise, which we can certainly speculate rather than the growth which we have seen in the last 1 year. It's almost 44 crore, 47 lakhs growth, and calculating only 1,000% of growth is needed to go ahead and it to get to a point of 1 rupees. And it's a complete speculation. We have seen lots and lots of uh, coin burn that have happened recently, and I'll just show you the recent burn that one of the entertainer, that Stephen Cooper, have made is almost 88 crore coin have been already burned by Stephen Cooper. The least being very recently, which he have done a couple of 26th of this month. See, he have almost burnt 88 crore, which is a part of Sheeb Army, which he raised funds using his playlist, which he provides to the user, and the monetary value which comes around. He's gonna put into burning these coins. That's what his goal is. And here we can see the goal of burning these coins is to get to a point where a point zero one, that's almost 78 pesos. But we do know it has the potential to grow much bigger because it's a big coin. We can expect much more, even miracles which have happened like this. We can also expect them in the going forward months. The proper speculation is for first 2 quarters. That means for 6 months anything can happen. We can even expect it going over 1 rupee, but lots of people have a target of 1 rupee, and this is much safer speculation that you can invest a good amount of money on, where you'll get a good amount of payback as well. If you are investing 1,000 rupees in Shiba Inu current day, we'll be getting almost 3,88,000 of coin. That's a big value to hold. So the next coin which I'm gonna talk about is BTT. It's BitTorrent. BitTorrent coin is one of the best coin which have a very good backup over, which have shown us a very good value, which have almost 839 percentage, which the last year's high point was 75 paise, 79 paces. So we can surely expect it going over 1 rupee. It will not take that huge amount of time to get to at that point. And after all, this coin is a subsidiary of Ton Coin, which has major implications, and it works under Tron decentralized channel as well. And taking off investment currently at the same time, we are if we are investing 1,000 rupees in it, we are gonna get a handsome fee of 4,816 coins. It's also a good catch right here. The next is Floki. Floki being a meme coin which was provided by which was teased by Elon Musk. It's also a very recent coin that have gone live a couple of months back, most probably 30 days. But until from the day which it was launched in the last 30 days, we have seen a lots of downward trend where it have not yet grown to a point. And the highest point which you can see was 2 paces. And the current point is not even 1 pace. That means it have gone down tremendously. And as such, if we are investing 1,000 rupees in it right now, yes, we'll be getting a handsome fee of 1,25,000 coins, which is a huge sum as we can calculate. And it has got a total market, a total supply, and total market cap is not yet provided yet. And comes Arriva. Arriva, yes, guys, Arriva is a very, very recent launch that have made, which have only gone back a couple of days, in fact, couple of months, most probably, which does also have very tremendous uh, exposure or very tremendous potential, which the highest point being 10 pesos, currently going at 2 peso. Almost this is the best time to go out and start investing on these coins. If we invest 1,000 rupees, as I mentioned, we'll get 37,000, almost 37,200 coins, which is a good amount to hold in your kitty. See, these coins have the potential to grow to a huge amount without providing a huge risk. It's easy, like we can invest a short amount of money rather than investing thousands upon $1,000. By investing a short amount, a fraction of the money, you'll be getting a huge amount of coins right here. And if such it's going up, we can make sure that you get a decent amount of spike as well. All these coins have got a major high point in the last couple of months, where Shiba Inu gone 1 paise and where it's only a 2 paise right, under 1 paise right now, 002. And if you are considering BTT, it have gone up to a point where it is 79 paise, which selling at 20 paise right now. Flocky, yes, the highest point of Flocky was around 2 paise, where it's going at 008. And Arriva's highest point which we have seen was, just a moment, let's okay, it was 10 paise, which it's trading at 2 paise right now. Yes, it's a huge risk to make. We have to go ahead and take certain of precautions which we are going to do, but make sure that you invest wisely. Pick a coin after going ahead and checking all the information, what the current trend is. Will it exceed your expectation? I'm not telling that it will reach a point of 1 rupee. Yes, it has a potential to go ahead and exceed that as well. So let's cross our fingers and look for the day. And until then, I'll be signing out. And if you do want me to explain more about these coins individually, please comment on this video. I'll certainly get back to you and provide you with the videos that you're asking for. Thank you so much once again, and have a good day there.